everyone. Myself Tulsi Pawar, Assistant Professor in Physics, सम्राट पृथ्वीराज चौहान राजकीय महाविद्यालय अजमेर। आज हम एमएससी फोर्थ सेमेस्टर फिजिक्स के 10th पेपर स्टैटिस्टिकल एंड सॉलिड स्टेट फिजिक्स के अंतर्गत माइक्रो स्टेट और मैक्रो स्टेट्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। What is the micro states and what is the difference between micro state and macro state? Let us discuss. We consider an ensemble consisting of a large number of independent systems or a gas consisting of a large number of molecules in the phase space. Each system or molecule may be represented by point known as phase point or representative point in the phase space. Let the phase space be divided into cells numbered 1, 2, 3 and so on I, adjoining one another and having a volume equal to delta Q1 to delta QF and delta P1 to delta PF. A phase point for any system or molecule may be supposed to lie inside one of these cells. In order to define the microstate of the ensemble, we must specify the individual position of phase point for each system or molecule of the ensemble. In other words, we must state to which cell each system or molecule belongs temporarily. Such a deep analysis is quite unnecessary to determine the observable properties of any ensemble. For example, the density is same. The number of molecules in each volume element of ordinary space is the same regardless of which particular molecule lie in any volume element. A macro state of the ensemble may be defined by the specification of the number of phase points in each cell of phase space, such as n1 phase points are in the cell 1, n2 points are in the cell 2, n3 phase points are in the cell 3 and so on. See in the figure, here we show cells in phase space, cell 1, cell 2, cell 3 and so on, cell 4, and number of particles n1 is equal to 2, n2 is equal to 2, n4 is equal to 2 and so on. Many different microstates may correspond to the same microstate. For example, let us identify the phase point as A, B, C, etc. Let a particular microstate be specified by stating that the phase points A, C, H are in the cell 1. B and E are in the cell 2, F in the cell 3 and so on as shown in figure. The corresponding macrostate is specified by merely giving the number of phase points. So n1 cell has 3 points. The number n2 is equal to 2 in cell 2, n3 is equal to 1 in cell 3 and so on. If we interchange any two phase points from different cells, say A and B, we shall have the different microstates, but the same macrostate. On the other hand, if we interchange the two phase points in the same cell, say A and C, we shall have the same microstate as well as the same macrostate. If the system of ensemble are in constant motion, just like molecules of a gas, the ensemble is continuously and spontaneously changing from one microstate to another and almost as frequently from one macrostate to the other. The microstates which are allowed under given restrictions are called accessible microstates. For example, in the case of three molecules A, B and C to be distributed between two halves of a box, if none can be outside the box, then ABC, A and BC and AC and B are accessible microstates, while A, B, A, C, B, C are inaccessible microstate. Thank you.